See this, guys, how people all over the world are earning money, $200, $100, okay, by just clicking on ads. You can see this, guys, ads, okay, they are just watching some ads and they are getting paid for that. Do you want to know how they are earning? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how people are actually earning this much amount of money all over the world by just following some simple steps. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just watching ads on this platform. Yes guys, so it's a genuine website guys. Okay, you can redeem your points into your bank account. Okay, whole process I'm going to teach you. Follow this video at the end so that guys there is always a motivation and you can grab more money out of it, because in this video I'm going to tell you some of the tips and tricks that you can use in order to generate good amount of income from this website. Okay, so this is an ad posting website guys, okay, where people and big companies are posting their ads to promote their products. So indirectly guys, you are getting bonus, you might get a bonus of $20 as well by just doing the sign up part. And guys, the most important thing is companies are paying the ads, okay, for the advertisements, and this website helps you to get payment on your bank account, okay, by just clicking ads. So whole process I'm going to show you, okay, the whole process I'm going to show you. So what you can do guys is to you just need to sign in on this account. Okay, sign up process is very easy guys. Okay, you do not have to pay more attention to these kind of things. What you need to do is to just first sign up. Okay, so quickly I'm just going to show you. So you can see this guys, you just need to click on this sign up button. Okay, just click on this, and guys you just need to follow your credentials over this page. Okay, username, password, okay, confirm your password and email account. Okay, and the most important thing that you need to pay attention to guys, any attempt to create multiple accounts, okay, will result in permanent suspension. Okay, will result in permanent suspension. So make sure that guys you are not signing in this account with your one internet connection. Okay, it might be possible that you can sign in with different if you are trying to sign up with different accounts, if you want to try to have a different connection, okay, different internet connection, so that guys this website will result into suspension of your early account that you have created. Okay, so I don't want you to do such kind of things. So just follow these details, press yes and click on this register, and you will be registered on this website. Okay, so guys, after doing the registration part, a verification mail is sent to your mail ID. Okay, so you just need to click on this verify your account and you are redirected to different page. Okay, so where you just need to sign in and you'll get login with this page. You can see this guys. Now what you need to do is to just come up here. You can see this, just come up here and you can see this guys, this is your dashboard that it looks like. Okay, this is your dashboard which it looks like. So there are multiple sources of income. You can see this guys, affiliate program, puzzles, contest, referral tools, advertisement, settings, these are the different things, and I'll show you in the end how you can cash out your payment. Okay, so first I just show you the advertisement part. Okay, so from advertisement, what type of things you can do. Okay, so you can see this paid to click ads. Okay, paid to click ads, you just need to click on this paid to click ads, and you can see that guys there are lots and lots of ads that are available. So you just need to click on one of these ads, and you can see this guys, what you need to do, you can see this, you just need to spend this much amount of time and automatically payment will be redirected to your account. Okay, your account section. Okay, another thing is just click on this, you can see this guys, just click on this and you can see this, just spend some time and just you can see this. Okay, it will automatically do the updation part and just cross it. Okay, it's absolutely genuine website, guys. You can see this, guys. Live update is there. You have already clicked 3 ads today. Okay, premium ads available 1. Okay, total ads available, and guys, the refresh time of this page is this. You can see this. Okay, so this is one way that you can do it. There are some offers that you can see, guys. You can see Ojo Grid, okay, which will help you to generate more income. Okay, you can see this, guys. You can generate $2 and you can see this. Okay, how people $2 by just clicking on these grids. Okay, for this you just need to spend some time and just do the validation part of these ads. Okay, absolutely genuine website, guys. Okay, another way of doing the income here is your referral part, guys. Okay, your referral part. So I just want to recommend you to just come up here in this referral section. Okay, and you just need to click on this referral tools. Okay, and you are redirected to this page, guys. You can see this. You are redirected to this page. So this is your link of referral where you can earn a good amount of money by just referring people. Okay, by just referring people, you are getting paid for that. So what you can do, guys, I just want to tell you one more website which will help you to boost your income. Okay, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, Facebook, Reddit.com and Pinterest are the websites which will not generate a good amount of income because the link reach is not good. Okay, so what you can do, guys, you just come up here in this Warrior Forum. Okay, what Warrior Forum? Warrior Forum will help you to get a good amount of reach, and you can post your links over this website and you can earn money over this website. Okay, so it's a absolutely genuine website where you can set up your profile. You can see this, guys. You just need to click on this sign up button. Okay, and what you can do, you just need to continue with Google account and just register over this website. Okay, you just need to register over this website, absolutely free of cost, guys. Okay, you do not have to do, because guys, over this website there are like-minded people. So you can see this forum, you can see the people who are more interested in affiliate marketing. You can see this, who are more interested in internet marketing. Okay, you can see this internet marketing, ad networks. You can see this is our main objective: ad network, social media, PPC, copywriting, e-commerce. So this is a great way to earn income, because guys, it will help you to generate more traffic over this website. Okay, people are actually coming here to advertise their blogs and their websites over this platform, because most of the people are active over this. So what you can do, guys, you can reply to them your link. Okay, and you can post your own link. Another way is your Pinterest, guys. Okay, what Pinterest? What you can do, guys, if your link is getting spammy, what you can do is to just come up here in this bit.ly.com, and what you can do, guys, just copy this. Okay, and just post your link over this. You can see this. Okay, post your link over this and just click on this shorten, and you can see this, guys, my link is getting shortened. So just copy this and just post it on your Quora. Okay, Quora, or you can say that Pinterest, Reddit.com, Facebook, whatever it is. Okay, it will not give you any spammy mails. Now another thing is your cash out details. Okay, how to cash out your money. So just click on this cash out, and you just need to click on this account settings. Okay, so make sure that you have selected your country, your address. You can see this, guys, whatever country you are belonging to, it doesn't matter. You just need to fill your details over this website and you are getting paid for that. And for this, guys, what you need to have is this Payeer wallet. Okay, so just copy this Payeer, and I'll show you this, guys, what is Payeer. So your PayPal, just like PayPal, guys, Payeer is also a digital currency, will provide you a digital currency wallet where you can redeem your points over this platform. Okay, where you can create a wallet and you can redeem. You can see this, guys, whatever currencies these are. You can see 10 plus e currency in your account, so you can redeem those points into your directly into your bank account with this pay here. And guys, it is having less charges as per your whatever money you are earning. Okay, so it's a best platform where you can contribute. Okay, another way is your contest. Okay guys, you can see this guys, $700 you can earn from this contest part. Okay, just click on this contest part and you just need to follow these steps. Okay, and you can see this guys, there's a deadline. Okay, 17 days to go, and you can see this how people are actually earning this much amount of money by just seeing ads. See this, seeing ads, and they are getting paid for that. Okay, people all over the world. Okay, so just you just need to have some patience. Just click on these ads, post your links over this platform, and you are getting paid for that. I hope you like this video guys. If you are having any doubts guys, you just need to write down on the comment section. And I just want to tell you that guys, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, so that guys you will get notification of my video. If you are having doubts, as I have told you that, write down on the comment section your doubts. Till then, happy earning.